Hi, I'm Susan. I hope everybody's doing great today. Today I'm going to try a new cookie recipe. It's an oatmeal cookie and it's got nuts and cinnamon and it sounds really good. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe you'll need 1 cup of shortening, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 beaten eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1½ cups of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 cups of oats, and 1/2 cup of nuts. I'm using pecans. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And now I want to cream my shortening and my sugars together. Now I want to add my vanilla and my beaten eggs. And then I'm going to sift my dry ingredients all together and add to the sugar mixture and mix together. Now I want to add my oats and nuts and mix those together. Mix until everything's just incorporated. And then I'm going to scoop it out onto my cookie sheet. And now I want to bake until lightly brown. The recipe says approximately 15 minutes, but it only took 10 minutes for mine. And here they are. They were so good. They were so chewy and had that cinnamony taste that was just smelled good baking and tasted good eating. My husband especially loved these cookies. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.